and welcome to Fix It TV. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace a standard light switch, like this one, with a very nice dimmer switch.
So how dangerous is this job? I give it one band-aid. Not too bad if you follow directions. Not turning off the electricity could potentially result in a bad shock or even death by electrocution. Don't skip safety.
First thing we're going to do is the circuit breaker. I happen to know that this one is number 4. This one right here. We're just going to switch that to off. Okay, the first thing we've done, we're going to turn off the switch. We've already turned off the power. We're going to remove the light switch. Okay, the next thing to do is remove the switch from the wall. We have a top screw and a bottom screw. Both of them have to come out. And you can use this screwdriver and twist them out. It's a lot of work. I prefer the easy way. I'm going to use a standard little electric screwdriver. And gently pull the switch out. And you can clearly see there's 3 wires coming into this switch. There's the power supply wire, there's the return wire, and then the grounding wire. The grounding wire is always attached to the green grounding screw. Wires coming into this screw and this screw. If you just unscrew these 2 screws, it'll come out. You don't want to be touching this when power is on. Again, make sure you've turned your circuit breaker off. Move these wires out of the way. And let's get the grounding wire as well. And it's free. Now you notice a lot of them have on the back a little tiny hole here and a little tiny hole here, along with a little slot right beside them. You're going to want to put in a little tiny screwdriver into this flat hole. You press it in and tilt a little bit, and any wire that's in here will pop out. Now to put in our new switch, again on the side, we have power screw, and a grounding screw. Slide it into the hole. And then tighten the screw. Make sure it's in there nice and tight. Take the other wire, slide it into the other hole. And tighten. Last one, our grounding wire. It's usually easiest if you make a little tiny loop on your grounding wire to wrap around the screw. And use a little pair of pliers. Just turn the loop. So you have a bit of a loop. And you have something for the screw to grab onto. Put that around and tighten it up. It's nice and tight. Tuck the wires back in, push the little unit in. Start your screw here. And again, I'm going to use this screwdriver to push it in because the screws are long and my arm gets tired. Once that's in place, we add our cover plate. Just stick it on top and tighten the screws. And there you have it. The light switch for the dimmer. So now I'm going to go turn the power back on. Okay, now that we're done, I'm going to switch the circuit breaker back on. And that's it. And there you have it, a new light switch. If you like this video, subscribe and come back and check as I'll be adding more videos from time to time. If you have any special requests, I'll look to see if I can do those as well. That's it for today on Fix It TV.